I sleep 2 hours. I wasn't feel good, and now I feel a bit in bed. Why we go to Dortmund?
One friend at first day. She's an influencer too, and
Freundes, eines, Freundes. How is his birthday?
Geburtstag.
Geburtstag. And this will be so.
In Monaten hier immer noch kein Deutsch, keine Papier.
But I tried. We're in the train now, and he will be 10 minutes in Dortmund. So see you after. We eat now Indian food. This is chicken curry. We was in the barber and we have a new haircut. After this, I'm going to do some style hair. So it's our situation. We're in the bus and you see with very soon.
Is the 30 minutes in the outside?
I'll tell you after if we're live or dead. Morgen, Leute.
We have 3 und she said guten Morgen. Auf jeden Fall, wir sind hier in Bahnhof Dortmund.
He was in the birthday yesterday. I don't film too much.
Ich wollte ja reden. Lass mich reden.
Nein.
Wir haben jetzt Ticket. Wir werden in so ungefähr 1,5 Stunden zurückfahren nach Berlin. Ich freue mich.
Yeah, we're waiting for our train. Training outside and cold.
Training? It's not raining. She lie.
It's cold.
People have fun. She drink too much.
So we have our training 1 hour.
Take you from my hand. Oh my
God.
God.
See us in Berlin.
Bye bye.
Oh my God.
Leute, wir sind unterwegs. Wir sollten um 21:20 Uhr in Berlin sein. Es ist 10 Uhr und wir sind hier immer noch in Hannover.
Oh my God, we're in the train to Berlin. I needed to be in Berlin now in 9 o'clock, but I have a problem with the train and now we need in 2 more hours we will be home.
I sleep. Ich habe geschlafen die ganze Zeit und wach. Und die meinte, wir sind in 5 Minuten in Berlin, weil sie hat Hauptbahnhof gehört. Wir sind erstmal in Hannover am Bahnhof und nicht in Berlin. Das heißt, ich würde sagen, wir sind in 2 Stunden so ungefähr in Berlin.
I hear that we will be in Hauptbahnhof, so I think I was like, okay, we're going to Hauptbahnhof.
Yeah, every city Hauptbahnhof.
Yeah, but like, we need to go to Hauptbahnhof Berlin.
Ich würde sagen, wir melden uns, wenn wir in Berlin sind. Assalamu alaikum. Willst du was sagen?
Assalamu alaikum.
Willst du was sagen oder nicht?
I hope next stop it will be in Berlin region. So let's keep another bar hungry and come back to Berlin. We're so hungry. It's 12 at night. I don't have power to come home and cook, so going to eat now. I'll go to bring the food, go home and we go to sleep because this was hard. It was 6 hours and 30 minutes away. This is so hard, guys. We don't bring food, we don't bring nothing because we're thinking, oh, everything good, we'll just be 3 hours in the way and after, but doing the next time, Leute.